Hello everyone and welcome again in a new video tutorial. Today guys we are going to talk about how you can resolve the bad sectors problem or how you can fix the bad sectors problem. So what is exactly a bad sector problem is when you are, instead of clicking here and clicking eject the device, you are just unplugging your USB key or your flash drive, or you are just unplugging directly the hard disk without clicking eject safely. And this is with time guys, it brings you to a bad sectors, and the last step of it is a raw hard disk or raw USB RAW, and then it will be impossible to fix your hard disk or USB. So how to resolve all of this? First of all, always click and eject the USB from here, or the eject mass storage. And the other things is you should fix the bad sectors which they are already there. So all what you will need to do, you plug your USB, mass storage device, hard disk, memory card or whatever, and you click and you go here, and here guys you click with the right button of the mouse. After finding your device, you click properties, and here guys you click check now. On error checking, this option will check the drive for errors, so you click check now, and here guys you enable automatically fixed file system errors, and you also select scan for and attempt recovery of bad sectors. That's also important, and you click start. This operation guys may take few seconds to few minutes to maybe 1 or 2 hours, depending how big is your storage device, how fast is your computer, and are you using at the same time the computer or not, which increase or decrease the speed. And when this process guys is finished, then your device is repaired. I will just stop the video until the system finish, and I will show you the final results. As you can see guys, the operation took from me almost 5 minutes only, and as you can see the system or the tool is showing me checking disk removal disk. Your device or disk was successfully scanned, no problem were found on the device or disk, it's ready to use. If you remove the device or disk before all files were fully written to it, parts of some file might still be missing. If so, go back to the source and recopy those files to your device or your disk. So basically guys, it didn't find anything for me for the moment. However, if there is anything for you, this procedure should find it and fix it for you, because it does the check disk and does all the operation which is needed. Fortunately for me, there is nothing, there is no bad sectors in this USB, so it is fine. I hope this video tutorial was useful to you guys. You will have the same things to check. If you still need help or assistance, you can always contact us. Thanks guys for watching. Talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.